we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called AI Kids Storybook, and it's for Kindle and Etsy creators using AI to create storybooks and running the whole thing through so that you can make kids storybook series and publish it obviously on Kindle and Etsy and so on. $17. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. The best line from it all is, if children's content is anywhere on your roadmap, this is the shortcut. The front end offer is $17. The upgrade offers are listed here too. And then you can click the product box, the AI Kids Storybook, to come and grab it for $17. Or there's a pretty good description of that it's creating books. It's using AI. It's letting it's a GPT that walks you from a single topic to a complete family-friendly storybook with consistent characters that are the same on every page by page story written in full, clean layouts, illustration prompts, and it's just built for Kindle, Etsy, classrooms, homeschool. You give it a topic. So imagine, here's some good ideas: kindness, safety, manners, counting, anything. And it walks you step by step to a finished book with a clear story arc broken into pages, full text written for each page, character Bible so your hero never changes faces, illustration prompts so you paste straight into your image tool, and text inside image guidance so the layouts look professional. And like to say, it's not just one book. With the upgrades that are listed on that blog post that's directly from the video description as well, you can spin the same idea into a full series, coloring books, printable activity bundles, exactly the kind of products that sell on Kindle and Etsy. And again, I go back, $17. So this is fresh out today. One of the top sellers, one of the top new sellers today, called AI Kids Storybook. If you're at all interested in making storybooks, making picture books, making activity books, click the link in the video description. Go check out AI Kids Storybook. Read the description, see the upgrade offers, click the product box, and grab a copy for $17 to be at the cutting edge of AI helping you to create these storybooks and make money on Kindle, Etsy, your own website, teacher pay teacher, all these kind of things. So check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the video description and it'll take you to AI Kids Storybook for Kindle and Etsy creators. Enjoy.